Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. So here we have the 765 post not kills first track day, and obviously the first dyno run it's had. So with 113 brake, it may have opened up more, having had a good thrashing on track, but then again it may not. But regardless, we now have a full system to go on, so that is exactly what we're going to do. So today we have the joys of fitting spark headers, which are very, very nice, stainless spark headers, and we have, I'll turn this around the other way, Akrapovic, or Akrapovic, or however you want to pronounce it. Anyway, Akrapovic can, spark headers. And as the saying goes, let's get into it. Right, so to get the belly pan off, it's pretty straightforward. One screw there, and one screw there, and on there, and then obviously opposite on the other side, around here somewhere, and then just the front of the belly pan here, just hooks on and slides over these little rubber grommets. So that gives us access to the header and the cap. Undo the headers and undo the can at the back here, and hopefully it'll all come off. So looking at the bike, I think to tilt the rad forward, we need to undo that bolt there, this one, undo that one, and I think undo that one there. And if we do that, we should be able to get enough clearance to drop the rad forward a little bit, and fingers crossed, get access to these headers. With the 6 nuts removed off the headers, we can then think about getting the rest of it off. So there's a little rubber strap here that's holding on the O2 sensor, lambda sensor. So essentially you just need to get a screwdriver in underneath that little flap there, lift it up, and if you just tilt it down, then that just pops. So that's it. That's the connector removed and split, and then we'll just take that back. We'll unwind the lambda sensor out of the headers, replace them in the new ones, and then I've already taken out, there's 2 bolts in here. Can't quite get, yeah, you just see it underneath. There you go, there's 2 bolts there, 2 bolt holes there. 2 12mm bolts that go in there that hold the back of the can on, and then the one on the other side behind the foot peg, and then hopefully the headers will come off. In the interest of science, another one of those interesting experiments, here we have the removed headers off of a 2023 stroke 2024 in the States headers from a 765 RS. How much do they weigh? I have here a fishing scale. That is 22 pounds, or if you're in the UK and would prefer kilos, looking at these scales, 9.6 kilos, possibly even 10, depending on how they're set. 10 kilos of exhaust. Wow. Quick clean up behind the headers, and then we'll get them installed. So let's see how heavy the new exhaust and headers are. Doesn't even show up on the display. So just weighed myself, but essentially holding those on the scales with the exhaust in the polystyrene, the link pipe and the headers, it's 3 kilos, which is 7 kilos weight saving over the standard system.